In 2007, Steve Jobs said that this was the best input device. That was 2007. This is 2015. In 2015, we love our touchscreens. We take them everywhere we go. And why wouldn't we? They're light, they're powerful, and they're gorgeous. But they're not a perfect input device. To fully express ourselves, we need better precision and more space. This is free, and it takes you way beyond the screen. With free, you can write or draw on nearly any surface, and your words or pictures will appear on your screen instantly. Free brings us back to a more direct interaction with the world around us, in part by freeing us to use one of our most personal skills, handwriting. Free's sophisticated optical tracking engine can trace anyone's handwriting on nearly any surface to an incredible level of accuracy. There has never been anything like it.
Give us a minute, Mitch.
Our OTM sensor includes a miniature laser, which sends a collimated beam to the surface. Reflections from the surface combine with internal reflections to give us some motion signals.
In fact, we invented the world's smallest three-dimensional laser interferometer.
That is truly amazing. But let me take it from here. Free is all about minimizing whatever stands in the way of your creative energy. It's got a mini touch display for notifications, lets you reply instantly, and even doubles as a headset to take phone calls.
Hi, Michael.
Write yourself a note the second you think of it. Jot down a phone number or doodle your next brainchild. Your thoughts and ideas are captured instantly on your device. Free lets you use all of your screen, turning your mobile phone into an incredibly comfortable and efficient mobile creative station. And best of all, Free is personal. So personal, it can even use your handwriting as a highly sophisticated form of biometric identification, making it much harder for someone to steal your identity.
Free is a minimal and classic design with a unique ergonomic shape so that the touch display naturally faces you and you can simply select different functions.
We also have an open platform so developers can create exciting new applications.
Together, we can change the way we interact with the digital world for everyone.
We put thousands of hours developing our motion tracking engine, and now we need your support to build the coolest mobile input device. Help us make Free a reality by backing us on Kickstarter.
It's quick, it's convenient, it's familiar and personal. It's free.
This is Rob. At first glance, he is just a regular man. But that's only at first glance. In reality, he has super abilities. Because he has Volterman. At first glance, Volterman is just a regular wallet. But that's only at first glance. In reality, it has a stunning design, and it's packed with super abilities. The smart wallet helps Rob in a variety of situations. Once, when he was out with his girlfriend, Rob left his wallet in the cab. But Volterman notifies when it's been left behind and is being tracked easily by its owner. Volterman is the only wallet with worldwide traceability.
Excuse me? I think you have my wallet. I've been tracking you, and I've got your photos opening it right here.
You are my Superman.
Babe, I'm not Superman. I've got Volterman.
Rob's lifestyle is very active, and occasionally he forgets his phone in crowded places. But Volterman notifies you when you've left your phone behind.
Excuse me? That's my phone. Thanks. Got it.
Superman.
I'm not Superman. I've got Volterman.
And there's more. Volterman has great functions for travelers as well. When you need internet anywhere in the world, instead of expensive roaming, you can use Volterman's Wi-Fi hotspot, which is way cheaper than regular roaming.
Go ahead, talk as long as you want.
I'm telling you, my Superman.
Babe, I'm not Superman. I've got Volterman.
Sometimes, at very important moments, your battery dies.
Cut. This is a problem that happens way too often. We can't have just one scene in the video for this. Folks, you try and remember how many times your phone has died at the worst possible moment. When you're filming your kid's performance and right in the middle of it, your phone shuts down. Or imagine you have to tell your date you're running late. Picture that disaster. Or your battery dies in the middle of an important business call. Your online poker tournament is interrupted. You're lost and you can't look up online maps. Not only is Volterman super slim and ultra lightweight, but it's also got a built-in power bank, so you can charge any phone up to 100%.
Okay, what about my phone?
And you can charge your phone wirelessly.
You're my Superman.
I'm not Superman. I've got Volterman.
The idea of Volterman started 2 years ago, and our team of engineers and designers have been working tirelessly on creating a perfect mix of design and technology. And here it is in its final shape, packed with super abilities.
Oh, 45 minutes. Oh. Is that your Volterman again?
Not this time. That was all me. Your personal Superman. So, what do you think? Did they understand they need to back this project in order to get Volterman into their pockets? Folks, we are so close to finalizing this project, but we need your help to start manufacturing Volterman. So back this project today, and let's make this a reality.
Every day, we rely on the latest electronic devices. But when we plug them in, it's with the same old power strip. Meet Yumo, a modular smart power system. Easily snap together different power modules to build a customized power system suited to your specific charging needs.
Hi, I'm Tobias, head designer of Yumo.
And I'm Cornelius, one of the engineers. Our small team is made up of friends who have several years of experience developing and manufacturing everyday products that offer innovative design solutions. So we came up with a stylish modular multi-power solution that offers greater functionality. Since 2014, we've been developing and testing several prototypes of Yumo at our design studio in Munich, Germany.
Start with a base cord and snap on a multi-power module. Then customize your UMO by adding on more modules. Skip the cables and simply charge wirelessly. Snap on extra USB ports to charge all your portable devices. Snap on the wireless speaker module and listen to music. UMO is also interchangeable with international plugs. Switch out the base cord plug when traveling or simply snap in your own UMO to a module in another country. Make your life smarter. Communicate with UMO with our app to better control and monitor your devices.
Now we are ready to take UMO to the next step, but we need your help to do that. Your support will go towards covering the costs of certification, materials and tooling.
After the Kickstarter campaign, UMO will continue to grow, with the launch of an online shop later this year featuring more power modules currently in development. In return for your support, you can build your own UMO from a collection of power modules offered here exclusively on Kickstarter.
With your help, we can make charging your devices more fun and interactive while still keeping them within easy reach.
Join us today and start building your very own UMO, so we can bring a new kind of power into the future.